Individual members of staff also continue to offer various services to organizations outside the university community. In particular, the Dean of the Faculty was made a member of the General Legal Council and also serves on the Professional Legal Education Committee of the Council. He also serves on the Joint Customary Law Project of the National House of Chiefs and the Law Reform Committee. In addition, the faculty offers service courses to nearly every other faculty or department or unit of the university, teaching courses such as engineering law, construction law, intellectual property, contract law, and environmental law. Furthermore, Mr. Ernest Kofi Abochi, lecturer in the Department of Public Law, made a presentation during the 2009 annual lecture under the auspices of the Center for Democratic Development Ghana and Frederick Newman Foundation. His presentation has been published in the March 2012 Volume 2 edition of the Constitutional Review Services published by the Ghana Center for Democratic Development under the title Strengthening the Liberal Roots of the 1992 Constitution, an Agenda for Reform. Following a series of discussions with the General Legal Council, the KNUST and University of Ghana have been considered for the establishment of branches of the Ghana Law School from October 2010. To this effect, a 3-member delegation of eminent lawyers were appointed by Her Ladyship, the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana, to assess the facilities for the takeoff of the school. The team was made up of Her Ladyship Justice Sophia Kufu of the Supreme Court, Mrs. Marietta Brew Apia Opong of the General Legal Council, and Mr. G.A. Sapong, Director of the Ghana Law School. As part of the preparations towards the smooth takeoff of the school, the faculty has partitioned some of the classrooms to comfortably seat students during lectures. In addition, the faculty's state-of-the-art auditorium will be used for seminars and moot court sessions. The university has made available offices for the visiting lecturers in a newly built examinations and offices complex. The General Legal Council has interviewed lecturers for appointment on part-time basis. We are reliably informed that, in addition, 2 permanent staff will be recruited soon to start the program. Furthermore, judges of the appellate courts in Kumasi, namely the Court of Appeal and High Courts, would be recruited to examine moot sessions in the legal advocacy courses. The students would have access to all services rendered in the law library, including photocopying and the library's own database, microfilm, microfiche equipment, and commercial databases would be developed as a basis for a Ghanaian legal information service. The university has allocated a site for the construction of additional structures to accommodate the demands of the law school. The Faculty of Law is greatly indebted to the following for the donation of books worth over $50,000 US. They are the Institute of Advanced Legal Studies of the University of London, the Canadian Lawyers Abroad and University of Ottawa, Sheikh Osmanu Sharabutu, the Chief Imam, and Reed White Ghana Limited, as well as Professor Mary James Mossman of Osgood Hall Law School. And now the School of Business. The School of Business consists of 5 academic departments, namely the Department of Managerial Sciences, the Department of Accounting and Finance, Department of Marketing and Corporate Strategy, the Department of Services Management, and the Department of Information and Decision Sciences. The school services the entire university in the area of entrepreneurship. To constantly update their knowledge in their respective areas of specialization, the lecturers do a lot of research, present papers at conferences both locally and internationally, and publish their research findings in refereed journals. 3 lecturers from the School of Business attended the 2nd Cranfield and Cardiff International Conference on Humanitarian Logistics in the United Kingdom, held on the 25th and 26th of March 2009. Some members of the Department of Information Systems and Decision Sciences attended a workshop on procurement and inventory management organized by the Ghana Supply Company Limited on 17th and 18th of September 2009 in Takoradi. Mr. Jonathan Annan delivered a paper on evaluation of needs assessment, the case of NADMO on 2007 Northern Ghana floods, while Dr. F.T. Odro also delivered a paper on needs assessment in the delivery of relief to the 2012 Northern Ghana floods, the case of World Vision Ghana. Mr. David Asamoah of the Department of Information Systems and Decision Sciences participated in a two-day program on the inauguration and workshop of the National Platform for Disaster Risk Reduction and Climate Change Risk Management. This was held on the 14th and 15th of October 2009 at the Accra International Conference Center. As a result of their visibility and performance, the KNUST School of Business was nominated to serve on the technical committee. During the year, the Department of Information Systems and Decision Sciences organized a workshop on total quality management, and the resource person was Professor Emeritus Abraham Bobas from the University of Waterloo in Canada and President of the Statistical Society of Canada. In addition, 7 members of the school were trained as career direct consultants in the application of career direct software by a team of South African consultants. Dr. W.A. Osuansa of the School of Business has been appointed as the first ever coordinator for entrepreneurship to spearhead and provide meaningful leadership towards entrepreneurship coordination and development here at the KNUST. Currently, the entrepreneurship programs on campus, which are ad hoc and uncoordinated, are being reviewed to serve the university community and beyond. This is against the backdrop of the immense role of entrepreneurship education and enterprise development in the rapid socio-economic transformation of any nation. Comprehensive, innovative entrepreneurship policies and programs would be outdoored shortly to revolutionize the entrepreneurship education and enterprise development on campus, as well as provide a meaningful impact on the university community and other stakeholders in the Ghanaian society at large. During the year under review, the business school established an international collaboration with the Aalborg University in Denmark on students' exchange and staff capacity building. The marketing department intends to use this collaboration to run a joint degree, our joint MBA degree in international business in conjunction with the Center of International Studies in Aalborg. Under the program, MBA students who choose this option will do a third semester in Denmark. During the same period, the school signed MOUs with the TU Berger Academy in Freiburg and the Tassmark School of Business from the University of London. On the 19th of September 2009, the executives of the Chartered Institute of Logistics and Transport Ghana visited the new premises of the School of Business to acquaint themselves with the state of the school's facilities. This was part of the accreditation process. They finally concluded that the school had excellent facilities for teaching and learning, and therefore promised to work harder to ensure that KNUST School of Business is accredited to run all the Chartered Institute of Logistics and Transport courses in due course. After the inspection of the facilities, the executives of the Chartered Institute of Logistics and Transport, together with the teaching staff of the business school, met with the Vice Chancellor of KNUST at the Dean's office, where they had fruitful discussions. The discussions centered on partnership with the business school and the Chartered Institute of Logistics and Transport in the teaching of logistics and transportation management. Distinguished invited guests, the Department of Marketing and Corporate Strategy, in conjunction with the Human Resources Development section of the university, organized a two-day workshop with the theme Effective Customer Service and Image Building in a Public University for 35 senior administrative staff of the university. The two-day workshop formed part of the department's extension services